baby. Look at my baby right there. You just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, it makes my head worse. Look what he did. He's on my laptop. What are you doing on my laptop, Hubs? You're steeping everything, huh? Yeah, I'm watching you. She's like being nosy right now. Yes. I'm watching them under the table. That was Roxy. She liked to make too much noise. Roxy, come here. Say hi to everyone. Come here. Roxy. 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 Come here, look. Look, say hi to them. Say hi. 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 What? What? Not my mom. Not my hair. No, bad. She likes my hair. She likes to grab my hair. Poor hot dimples. No, 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 no. Get down. Down. Roxy's climb, jump in here and on top of Dimples. Poor Dimple, Lords. Poor Dimples. This will hurt you. Okay, you're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt. Get down. Get down. God. He went to his tower right now. And then of course he will come back here. Misty, get down. He'll come back down here. First time of the dog walking in the grass. I mean, it's not their first time, but it's first time with their, how do you call this harness? This one here. This one. Right, Roxy? She gets so big. Let's go. Let's go. Stop fighting. Hey, come here. I'm gonna put one inside now. I'll put one. I put one side because they're fighting in here. Come here. He's in my lap. He's on my lap all the time, guys. He just loves to be with me. This is my baby. This is Hubsy boy. He just loves to be with mama. I just love him so much that he's still with me. Really, I don't know how to solve this problem. Oh, I don't know. I'm just gonna bite my sister because it's fun. It's fun to bite my sister. It's fun. It's fun to bite my sister. Come here. Misty, psst, come here, Misty. 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 Stop it. Look, there's a big dog. There's a big dog. Stop, Misty. Stop. everyone doesn't bite her yet, she scream already like, oh, it's hurt. She's afraid. She's getting big. Hi guys, I'm in the car right now. I was driving and I decided, right honey? And then I decided to let my husband.
It was safer for everybody else on the road.
I'm all over the place. I have a really bad. I have a really bad headache, guys, and it's like I'm spinning, like I'm all over. So, and I don't know. It's just lately I have this headache every day. I think because of my husband smoking. Right, baby? Look at my baby right there. You just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God! It makes my headache worse. You can see the color of my hair now, clear. Right there. Yeah, I'm very thankful of. I'm very thankful about the shampoo that I got, the L'Oreal Pure something. Very pure, ever pure. Yeah, I know you do. Every time you pass that house, you like it. So ever pure shampoo and conditioner. The other one is blonde, which is I don't have blonde. I just have a highlights. I think you call it blonde. I use it anyway. So the color of my hair is getting lighter. And so I like my jacket, guys. I bought this from Just Fab. It's very nice and it's very cheap. My husband said yes. He can be in my video. He can be in my video. Not not focusing at like quick like that, quick. I know you said okay, hon. You said yeah. You say as long as I don't like, look like a
Like hell.
Yeah.
I always look like hell, so there was that.
You're not. So you guys, we're on the way to the party, the engagement party, and my sister-in-law and mother-in-law is behind us. My mother-in-law, when she know that I'm the one who's driving, she decided to
Switch cars.
switch the cars, which she want, save her life. She decided to ride with her daughter, so, and her grandson, not godson, grandson. Yeah, so they're following us. Okay.
They'll try.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Oh my God. It's just like in my head working, but my mouth doesn't.
Okay, you do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100.
Throw it up in the air.
1,000.
Throw it up in the air and try catching it like that.
Huh?
Throw it up in the air and try catching it like that.
I got it.
I said like this.
Oh no, you can't do that.
You could. You.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's hard.
I'm playing with my nephew. What's your name again? Nephew?
Thomas. For how long?
2. 1, 2. Oh no! You're gonna break that. Your grandma's gonna get mad.
Okay, you do. I did it for 2 seconds.
No, please.
Put your hand. No. Mamas, look. Hi guys, I just went outside because it's very crowded out there.
I was having problems with the oils themselves.
That's my pretty
Well, yeah, I was
sister-in-law,
wondering about
guys.
that too.
Oils always, but issues with the oils.
She's very
I thought
pretty.
my allergy
And
was
that's my husband, which is good looking, very pretty. Yeah, and she is my best sister.
Oh, she's crazy.
I'm here upstate right now.